Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, it's been a really bad week worldwide with this coronavirus. It's been, the world's going into meltdown, and it's been a bad week worldwide. But on the upside, I'm still looking after my birds. I haven't caught with virus, touch wood, so that's a plus. We've got a visitor as well that feral was born a few months ago. Has came back here, so yeah, quite a surprise, but yeah. The young ones at the moment are doing really well. That one is doing well. That one as well is a bit behind, but it's eating and drinking by itself. And that baby there as well seems to be doing okay. The racing piston and the curved-tailed dove looks like they're going to start nesting again. As you can see, he's chasing her around, so that's usually an indication they're about to lay again. Guys, what's going on in the back? At the moment, we've got no babies yet. It can't be fall yet now, because yeah, I think probably the next couple of days, hopefully I'll get some young of this fantail. And he's still on one egg, so hopefully the next few days it'll hatch, touch wood, hopefully. Then again and again, they're still on 2 eggs. They're on the racing piston eggs, so hopefully in the next couple of days they'll hatch, hopefully, touch wood. We'll see what happens. And then around here they're still on 2 eggs. I'm not sure if anything's gonna hatch or anything, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my channel. Give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. If you got any questions about your birds or my birds, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my very best to answer them. And thank you guys for watching. And please stay safe, look after you and your family, and let's pull together and beat this coronavirus. I'll see you guys soon.